Yeah, I got 4 more packages. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm a full-time seller on the Poshmark app, and I consistently try to list new items, shop for those items, and keep track of all of it. And then in the process, I make some YouTubes with like some YouTube hauls. And right now I'm just gonna share my closet on Poshmark. I'm gonna take you with me today and vlog with the day. And so we're starting off this morning with a little share, and I've been watching a couple different hauls on YouTube of other people who sell on Poshmark. And I ordered something in the mail, just came in. It's actually a pair of shoes. I like to wear tennis shoes when I go out shopping, so I ordered a pair of Keds. And you know what? I'm gonna unbox it right now. Found a really good deal on Keds.com. They were offering like a special discount on some of their Kate Spade collab shoes, and they were half off, and then I had a coupon for like 15% off, and I used that coupon code, which after I buy something, I can then send out the 15% off coupon. So I will link that down in the description below. And I think they were $40, originally $90. Oh, they come in a cool little box. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I kind of pulled it out wrong, but it goes like this. So it's kind of like a matchbox. And there's the Kate Spade. And let's see. Ooh. They're silver. I like those. Very cute. Yeah, I got these for shopping. Whenever I go shopping, I'm usually shopping for like hours at a time. And I like them to be able to go with like a skirt or dress or something. And so this is what I got. I think these will look cute with like a skirt or a dress or pants. But usually I like to go with tennis shoes like this if I'm wearing like a skirt or a dress. And then I don't care what kind of tennis shoes I have if I have pants on. But these are a silver color. They also had a maroon, like a leather maroon color, and those were the same price. Oh, and you get a little Kate Spade logo on the tongue. What's cool about these is I just realized that they have 2 shoelaces on them, and one of them's like a ribbon, and then the other one's just like a normal shoelace. So I think I'll go with the ribbon. And if you guys want to use the 15% off discount that I have, like it's like a refer a friend, it will be down in the description. And take my stats for this morning so that over the course of the day I can check in and see how I'm doing with my different stats and my goals. I usually keep track of how many shares I do and how many other people's shares I do and my sales and everything that way. So I really keep this notebook close to me so I can keep tabs on my goals for the day and keep track of everything I'm doing. So that's what I do usually right away in the morning. Grocery store, you can see that the almond butter machine and the peanut butter machine that I always get my peanut butter from, it's so good. That's from a place called Fresh Time Market, and I love that place. But that's pretty much all we did for the day. I got some packages done, and then I got some listings done, but other than that I didn't do too much today, so I just kind of took it easy a little. Just staying motivated can be kind of hard when you're not making any sales, but even if you are making sales, it's hard to be motivated to even package them up sometimes. So I totally understand what that's like, and just keep listing and keep buying stuff that you like and getting it and being excited to list it. I think that's really important as a reseller. on Poshmark is that you're just excited about the items that you have and you love the items that you have. I know for me, one of my biggest things is if I don't like it, I have a really hard time listing it and even selling it. And sometimes I won't really understand the value of an item if I don't like it that much. So I'm going to show you guys one thing. I know I always say in my haul videos that I'm going to not keep it even though I want to keep it. There's so many things that I always say I want to keep but I end up not keeping it. But here's one thing I have kept so far. I probably got this a few months ago, but I don't know when or where I'm going to wear it. So I don't know, maybe it's just one of those things that I'll just have to throw a jean jacket on with to dress it down a little bit. But I got this, it's like gold, sorry, it's a little bit wrinkly, but it is a dress and it's just so pretty. It's like spaghetti strap, like high neck, and it's like not super long, but kind of like midi length on me, a little bit longer than midi length. And it's just so pretty. I love the style of it and it's just really, really simple. So I don't know, maybe I'll just have to throw a jean jacket on it and call it a OOTD. Thinking like maybe I would save this for like a dressy type of an event, but I don't know. This is one thing that is definitely, I love it so much. So I have kept this item for myself. There are a couple other things. This is just like sitting over here, so I wanted to show it to you guys. But there's only been a couple things that I've really just kept for myself. There have been things that I've worn like a few times and then washed it and listed it, but other than like this dress, and I have a pair of shoes and I have like a coat and that Vineyard Vines sweatshirt, but I don't think there's really anything other than those things that I've had for a long time and just kept it and not sold it. So I do like having a rotating closet, but there are a couple things that I love so much I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna end this little vlog here and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.